Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create this wrinkled text in Adobe Illustrator. So, let's get it started. First, select the rectangle tool, and create a shape around the artboard. Then, apply the color to it. Press Ctrl+2 to lock the background. Select the Type tool, and type any number. Press Ctrl+T, and adjust its size. I am using the Impact font. Right-click on it and choose Create Outlines. Go to the Effect menu, 3D Classic, and choose Tot8 Classic. Adjust its position to isometric top. And hit OK. Then go to the Object menu, and expand Appearance. Right-click on it and ungroup them. Again, right-click and release Clipping Mask. And delete this box. Right-click on it and ungroup. Select all. Go to the Edit menu, and copy. And then paste in front. And apply the color to the top text. Select one number, go to the Object menu, Envelope Distort and Make with Mesh. Or press Alt+Ctrl+M. Use these rows and column settings. Select the Direct Selection tool, click on one anchor point, and apply. One by one, click on Random Anchor Point and adjust it. And follow me. Then select the other number. And do the same. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.